Hey there, and welcome to the Wedding Venue Map family. The first email that you should have gotten is this email you'll see on the screen here. It links over to a welcome video series, as well as this link here goes directly to where you can edit and create and build your listing. You want to make sure you save this email because this link here and bookmark that on whatever web browser you use, because this link here is where you'll always be able to go in and make changes and make edits to whatever's new and going on here at your venue. When you click into the video series, it will take you to this page here. It's just a list of videos of all the things included with your marketing and advertising package. Make sure to take the time. It shouldn't take you but 10-15 minutes to watch the videos and understand what comes through the social media shares we do, the blog feature opportunities, email marketing things. These are all the things that are included with your package, so you have an idea of what you can expect from us. Now, if you click on that dedicated link, it's going to take you into a page. Your venue title will be here, and this is where you're actually going to build your listing. I'm going to walk you through step by step on what you need and what to expect. And if you want help along the way, you can always watch this video and do it side by side. So at the top of the listing, it will probably not have your first name, last name, just fill those in and what state you're located in. As you can see, we're getting ready to expand into other markets. So you want to start with your state. And then once you choose Florida, what area of Florida are you in? And you'll click Central. Now, all the other contact information is the information that we previously had in the site. If anything has changed, like your phone number, email address, things like that, now's the time to go in and update it, your address, any of that. The wedding contact email address is the contact person that we would is going to get all of our emails and things like that. But if you have a different email address where your wedding leads go to, I want to make sure you put that in this box here. Your website link should be in there. Okay, so these are the three categories when you originally submitted your listing on the website, but you're welcome to if you want to go in and update them. Again, you can only put three, but let's say you're like, I don't want that one anymore. I want to change it. You can go in and see what the other options are, and it will allow you to list up to three on there. Now, on your horizontal photo, so now let's talk about the listing itself. When people go into the website and they go in and they search in the venue search, they're going to see the main search will have this is going to be your main image, right? So that is when it says over here, when it says the horizontal photo is your listing thumbnail photo, that's the photo you're going to see when they search through the venue search there. So you want to pick a photo that's eye-catching, that really represents your venue. Your venue description will be the text within the listing. You'll have the opportunity to upload your logo. That'll be on your listing as well. So you can go in, building that brand awareness by having your logo be on there. This is your image gallery. You can submit up to 25 photos. We suggest you upload them in the order that you'd like them to appear on your listing, but you can always drag and drop and rearrange them. Your images can be horizontal or vertical, and they have to be JPEGs or PNGs, and ideally smaller than 5 MB. So you want to gather all of this information before you even go in to build. It makes it a lot easier if you have everything and all the pieces open that you need to. The link to your social media profiles, including a full web link. What does that mean? It means you want to actually open your social media profile and grab this link up here. This link is what you want to put into your listing, so it will direct link over. If somebody's using it on mobile, it will take them into the app to go through. So on Instagram and even on Facebook, you want to go into your profile page up top and grab that link there. If you have a video that you'd like to include on your listing, you're going to embed it. There's two links on whether it's on YouTube or Vimeo on where to grab that embed code for you to copy and paste it in on the site. So if you need help with how to get the embed information for YouTube or Vimeo, you can just watch those videos there. A website link to package information. If you have a PDF on your website or a page on your website that has packages, whether it has pricing or doesn't have pricing, you want to put that web link in there. Frequently asked questions. There's two FAQs that we actually are required to be a part of your listing. The first is about what's the average price range for your venue rental. And the second is what's included in that cost. Today's couples are begging us for information regarding pricing. So we allow you to choose what information you want to share and how you want to share it, whether you give them a range, a starting at price, or actually list out package information. It's up to you. But they really want to narrow down a little bit before they contact. Then there's lots of other questions as you see that you are welcome to share if you want to answer them. The more information you give them, the better the qualified leads. Also, if you're like, man, I wish I could add a question on there, you can use this link right down here to do it. This recommendation box is if people write reviews on your listing itself, you'll be able to respond to the reviews in this box. So anytime, there's a new review on there, you'll be able to go in and write a reply. There is a section at the bottom of each listing called featured real wedding photos. One of the things that couples have asked us for is the opportunity to see an entire wedding start to finish. Your gallery is really that highlight of all the best images of your venue, but they want to see one wedding start to finish. Think getting ready, ceremony, portraits, reception spaces, the details, dancing, partying, the grand exit start to finish. You can choose up to 18 photos from one wedding and let's make sure that we always credit the photographer and a link to their website, and you'll click the upload and upload those there. Now, this next box is all the different search criteria that people can use. You'll see them over here on the left that they can use to narrow down their venue search in our area. All of these you probably have already answered, but if there's some other sections and we've got some new things on there, like do you offer all-inclusive packages? If there's any questions that are unanswered, make sure you click them. You double check your submission of everything that's in there. Just give it a quick scroll down, check your questions, check your answers, and things like that. If you're a hotel, do you allow weddings not hosted your property to book social room blocks, things like that. When you're all set with that, if you're not done yet, as you go, you can click save to draft and it will keep saving that. You see this little box that pops up in the corner that says your venue saved to draft. This means the listing is not live yet. When you are ready and you've got everything loaded in and she's good to go, you're going to hit publish. Once you hit publish, it will make your listing live. It will change it from a free listing that's down here at the bottom, where it's just simple and alphabetical. It will change that free listing to one of the paid listings up here that will have all the information that you've submitted on there. If you have any questions as you're going through and working on this and you're not sure of anything or where to find things, if you want us to go in and audit your listing at any point, all you have to do is reach out to us directly and ask. Our team is here to support your success and make sure that the money that you've invested is going to drive leads right to your inbox.